Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some, hold on, let me put the towel right there. Today we're going to be making some really soft and stretchy slime. I'm going to be showing you how to make it, so let's get on with this video. I'm also going to be fixing this slime because it's really sticky. So first you're going to need some glue. I got some white Elmer's glue. You're going to need a bowl, a spoon, baby oil, and Tide, or you could use Tide, or you could use water with borax. So, just gonna I think that's enough. So now we're just gonna mix this up. And maybe I could put some coloring in. Well, I don't have any paint, so never mind. So it's just going to be white, soft slime. So you're going to open your baby oil and you're going to pour it in a little at a time. And how about a little bit more? That's enough. And plus it's going to smell really good. Now we're just going to put the finishing touch, which is the Tide. I'm going to pour it in here, so I don't pour too much in the bowl. I think that's enough. Gonna pour a little at a time. It's starting to come together. Pour a bit more. And if it's not, oh, and also will make it really shiny and stuff. The baby oil will make it shiny. And if it's not that shiny and stretchy and soft at the end, then you could pour a bit more. After you make the slime and it's all ready, then you can pour like a bit more. So now I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Oh my gosh, this is really soft. It's coming together good. It may be a fail, but I hope it's not. Well, so I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. If it's not good, it's starting to come together really good and it's not stretchy, so that's good. I mean, it's not sticky, sorry, I said stretchy. Whoa, this is awesome. It's starting to come together. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, I hope you could still see that. It's just, my phone just said that it's at 20%. This is very soft. So we're just going to pour it in there a little bit because it's kind of sticky. I'm just going to mix it up a little more. So it's really soft, but it's not that shiny. So we're going to put, once it's normal slime and plus the Tide gets it like a color, like a light blue color. So once it gets like to normal slime, like it's finally slime, then we're gonna put a bit more baby oil. Wow, this is really soft slime. It's kind of shiny. It smells amazing. It's really shiny. What is that noise? I'll be right back. Sorry if I took too long. It's just like a little car selling something. Okay, so let me just grab the finishing. Well, let me just grab the slime that's in here. There's more slime. Now, and I'll show you the finishing touch. It's kind of like, oh my gosh. It's kind of like fluffy slime. It feels like fluffy slime. It doesn't look like fluffy slime. It's not fluffy slime, but it feels like it. This feels amazing and it's really stretchy. So what we're gonna do now is clear some space. This is really, really soft slime. Really stretchy slime too. It's super soft. It's kind of shiny. Just gonna spread it out and put some more baby oil in it. The baby oil made it really, really soft. So if you guys have baby oil, then I suggest you put it in your slime because it's really, really, really soft. It's awesome. It feels amazing. And it smells amazing too. And it makes it really stretchy and shiny. So that's the good thing about it. It feels like cloud dough slime, guys. You should really make this slime. I give it 2 thumbs up. If I had 4 arms, I'll give it 4 thumbs up. So it's really awesome. You guys should really try this at home. If you guys want, you guys could try it. And it feels so, so good. So let me just show you guys. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's really, really stretchy and soft too. So this is amazing. This is the best slime I have. I also have this slime. I have a couple more slimes. But this slime is amazing too. It looks sparkly and it has a lot of stars in it. My friend Gabby from school made it for me, and well, she didn't make it for me, but she made it. She's selling slime. I'm not gonna say no more. But it's really sticky if you play with it a lot, but it feels so good. It's really, really good slime. So if you guys ask me which one's softer, I would have to say this one. It's kind of sticky, so after this video, I'm going to put some Tide in it, more Tide. I'm just going to put a little bit of Tide, mix it up so it's not sticky anymore. Okay. Ooh, and this slime is really stretchy. Ooh. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Wait a minute. I have an idea. I'm going to put a little bit of baby oil into this and see if it feels like that. I really want more slimes that feel like this. I mean, it feels amazing. So I'm just going to add some baby oil into this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to my channel. Comment down below if you guys want me to make more slimes like this, because it's very, very soft. And like this video if you guys love slime. I know I do. So I'm probably going to like this video because I love slime. And press my notification button to like just press it so you can know when I upload more videos. And I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded videos in the last 3 weeks or 2. It's just that I'm really sick. So that's why I haven't made videos. It's because I'm kind of sick. Oh my gosh. So I'm sorry if I haven't made as much videos. But this is the first video that I made. This is the first video that I made in 2 weeks. So I'm going to start making more videos so you guys could see them. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time on Lauren Hernandez. Bye guys.